Hi everyone, welcome back with me again at the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a shake transitions with wavy effects to your edits in CapCut. So just prepare your clips. So here you can just use as many as clips as you want, but I'm only using two for the example. And after that, you can just click on the transition box. Click on the camera category, then select the pull-in transition. Set it to around 0.5 seconds. Click on the check icon and now click on the second clip. Go to animation. Under the in category, select the unfold for 0.3 seconds. And now go to the video effect. Click on the distortion category and then select the wave effect. Adjust the effects into it. And now just go back to the check icon, put the effect in between the clip like this. Trim it a bit and put it in between the clip. And you are done. So here is the final result. Guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.